So I'm gonna be going through this jato. If you can see it, but like right here is broken. You'll see it right here. Okay, now we're in there. So there you can see it where it broke. Okay, we get this all torn down. So I've decided that I'm going to go through everything. I'm actually going to just take everything on this car apart. So there it is all by itself, the chassis top plate they call it. Brackets to the servos are all broken up. So there you have it. She's all restored. Brand new tires and rims. Went through all the bearings, everything. New servos, new gas tank, new lines. It really went right through everything. Rebuilt all the shocks. That's all the old parts right here. Subscribe and you'll be able to see the video of it ripping down the road.